Oh shit. Now that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. That should look like the jump that Scotty did. And this thing's a damn one tunnel, man. This is ridiculous. But I can't tell you what the amp is.
Yeah,
it's exclusive. But if you do come to the Bays Off on April 28th,
yeah,
we might show you.
Yeah. Just think Sundown NS1.
Just think Sundown NS1. But not Jacob. Why you say that?
Cause I was holding my stomach like, cause I could feel it in my car.
Are you serious?
I was holding my stomach like this, and he was like,
what the hell? Hold on. What's the distance between these two cars?
oh no.
What, 10 feet? 12 feet?
Baby, you know I can feel
You
it
can
in my
feel
own
that
car, right?
in 10 feet behind
My
you.
child.
Only if he just pulled up in his driveway. Yep.